को स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ आज CDSL Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में। CDSL Q3 रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर कर दिया कंपनी ने और फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2026 और नेट प्रॉफिट अप मार्जिनली to $133 crore, revenue climbs 9% to $340 crore. CDSL Q3 Result Financial Year 2026 or net profit up marginally to $133 crore, revenue climbs 9% to $304 crore. CDSL Q3 Result Financial Year 2026 Central Depository Services India LTD CDSL on Securities 2021 reported around 2% YoY in the consolidated net profit of 13.132.94 crore for the third quarter of current financial year Q3 financial year 2026. The company had earned a net profit of 129.80 crore in the corresponding quarter. It is the revenue from operation grew by 9.4% YoY to $304.35 crore in the reporting quarter compared with $278.12 crore in the corresponding quarter of the previous fiscal. Its total income in the quarter under review stood at $333.60 crore according to regulatory filing by the company. CDSL total expenses also jumps in the October-December quarter of financial year 2026 to $160.40 crore as against $130.45 crore in the same third month period of the last fiscal financial year 2025. CDSL said that the company segment's revenue Q3 stood at $254.39 crore. The data entry and storage segment was a revenue of $49.44 crore. For 9M FY2026, CDSL reported a net profit of $375.28 crore, down more than 10% from $435.93 crore posted in the same 9-month period of fiscal financial year 2025. It is the revenue from operation in April to December period of financial year 2026 was at $882.07 crore, up marginally from $857.78 crore in the reporting 9 months of the previous fiscal.